Imagine you are in your backyard on a clear night, gazing up at the stars. It's one of those rare moments when the sky is free of clouds and the stars twinkle like tiny diamonds scattered across a vast, dark velvet blanket. There's a stillness, a sense of wonder that makes you feel both significant and small at the same time. Now let's take that feeling and multiply it by the vastness of the universe, because that's exactly what happened when two little spacecraft called Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched into space back in 1977. These spacecraft, no bigger than a small car, were originally sent out to study the planets in our solar system. You see, the late 1970s was a time when the planets were aligned just perfectly, a rare event that happens every 176 years, allowing Voyager to visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune by using the gravity of each planet to slingshot itself further along its journey. That's a bit like when you're on a swing and someone gives you a push at just the right moment to send you soaring higher. And oh, what a journey it's been. Voyager 1 is now the furthest human-made object from Earth, sailing through interstellar space. Imagine that for a moment, the quiet, dark stretches of space that lie beyond the influence of our sun. A place so far that the light from our sun would take over 17 hours to reach it. Voyager 2 wasn't far behind, following its sibling through the solar system. These two spacecraft have become our brave explorers, carrying with them a little piece of us as they venture into the unknown. One of the most fascinating things about the Voyager spacecraft is the golden record they carry. Imagine a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean. This golden record is precisely that, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc designed to communicate the story of our world to whoever or whatever might find it. It contains sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. There are greetings in 55 different languages, a baby crying, a kiss, the sound of thunder, a chimpanzee, and music from different cultures and times, from Bach to Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Goode. This golden record is like a time capsule, a poetic snapshot of who we were back in the late 20th century, sent out to drift among the stars. It's a profound gesture, isn't it? The idea that we as humans felt it important to share our presence, our music, our laughter, and our essence with the cosmos. It makes you think about identity and our universal desire to connect and share our stories, doesn't it? As Voyager continues its journey, it teaches us about the planets it passed and the space beyond. For instance, when it flew by Jupiter, it sent back breathtaking images of the planet's swirling, colorful atmosphere and its great red spot, a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. Each photograph, each piece of data Voyager sends back is like a postcard from the edge of the solar system, reminding us of the beauty and mystery that lies out there, waiting to be discovered. When Voyager 1 turned back its camera to capture the iconic pale blue dot image, it showed Earth as a tiny speck in the vastness of space. Carl Sagan, the famous astronomer, poetically reflected on this image, reminding us that on this tiny dot, every human who ever lived experienced their lives. Every dream, every love, every conflict took place on that small stage. It gives perspective, doesn't it? The idea that in the grand theater of the universe, we are both incredibly small, yet indescribably precious. What continues to captivate me about the Voyager missions is the story of endurance and exploration. These spacecraft are powered by radioisotope thermoelectric generators, something like a small, long-lasting battery that keeps them going even now, over 45 years later. Picture an old, reliable car that just keeps on driving down the longest road imaginable. Engineers, the unsung heroes of this story, cleverly designed these spacecraft to last, and it's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless curiosity to explore beyond the horizon. Even though Voyager's primary missions officially ended decades ago, they continue to send back data, whispering secrets from the frontier of space. They've taught us about the heliosphere, this protective bubble around our solar system created by the sun. It's like a warm, glowing shield that shelters us from the harsher cosmic rays lurking in interstellar space. Understanding this helps scientists learn more about other solar systems and maybe even life beyond our own. As we wrap our minds around these wonders, there's a subtle lesson here about life and purpose. Voyager's journey is a reminder that sometimes the things we set in motion today may reach farther and touch more lives than we ever imagined. It's a comforting thought that even small steps like these small spacecraft can lead to grand journeys. So next time you find yourself under a starlit sky, take a moment to think of Voyager, silently sailing through the cosmos, carrying our greetings out into the universe. It's a story of exploration and hope, a story that reminds us of our place in the world and the wonders that await those who dare to reach for the stars. And who knows, perhaps one day, someone somewhere will stumble upon our golden record and learn of our existence, linking the vast unknown with the stories of our tiny, precious blue planet.